What's up guys, it's Carlos from Your House Fitness, and today we're talking about the scapula and its stabilizers. The scapula stabilizers are a group of muscles in our upper and middle back that both support the scapula and the shoulder joint. Strong scapular stabilizers play a crucial role in the health of your shoulder joint. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the muscles that make up the scapular stabilizers and some exercises you can do to target them. The primary scapular stabilizers are the trapezius, serratus anterior, rhomboids, and levator scapulae. The movement of the scapula and arm together is referred as the scapular humeral rhythm. So strengthening these muscles is key to have healthy functioning shoulders. A couple exercises you can do for great scapular stabilization are Y raises, T raises, and V raises. These are great exercises you can do with dumbbells, and if you want to watch a video just on the Y raise, T raise, and V raise, you can check them out in the blog down below. Alright guys, I hope you guys learned something in this video, and if you guys did, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.